Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This format is created from the bank statement data received from the banks, usually Swift MT940, using the Banking Communication Standard (BCS) software. Standard for all banks, it can be easily run using a spreadsheet program or a word processing program. It consists of two files in format AUSZUG, TXT and UMSATZ.
Take our lead.
Parts of a bank statement includes information about the bank, such as bank name and address, as well as your information. The bank statement will also contain account information and the statement date, as well as the beginning and ending balance of the account.
Take our lead.
Bank reconciliation procedure. On the bank statement, compare the company's list of issued checks and deposits to the checks shown on the statement to identify uncleared checks and deposits in transit. Using the cash balance shown on the bank statement, add back any deposits in transit. Deduct any outstanding checks.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A financial statement is an official document issued by a bank which proves there are sufficient funds in a bank account to pay for a school's tuition expenses and all living costs while enrolled in their program.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.